Hi, Wintrila from Moorpunk Design, Crafted, New Delhi. Yesterday, we had a session on recreating our old uh, Jamdani sari fabric and motifs, which are all displayed in various museums in the world. And the elitist researcher who came at our studio and explained the process technique and what he is doing with a decade of his absolutely astounding work is just, still it's like we are in trance and we just can't come out of what he showed us yesterday. I wish I could show them all those works to you guys. Anyway, we'll gradually, eventually, in some point of time, maybe we would be able to introduce him after with his permission. Well, so now this series is a much awaited one on Lucknowi Awadhi luxury, which is this chicken curry. Now chicken curry is all there, everybody's guess that it's all available across Lucknow, across many places. But what we have created in Moorpunk Design might be very exclusive ones, so please have a look. I'm just draped in one of our own styled kurti, in tunic rather, in Ajrak modal hand block. So anybody is interested can let me know. So the first sari, see the color. It's a lavenderish blue. It's a bluish lavender or lavenderish blue, in whatever way you want to call. So this is the first sari, which is done on pure kota doria, and the sari is with extremely beautiful, mesmerizing hand embroidery. The threads are 3 ply, not 2 ply, and 1 ply out of question, because it's like mind-blowingly expensive then it becomes. So it is 3 ply threads. And the work on the palla, this is all Lucknowi chikankari work on the palla. See the palla work, how beautiful, magnificent work. And we have teamed up this aparajita flower, the small blue aparajita flower, all over as a jal, all over the sari. So it has this aparajita. Your lower border will be with this aparajita flowers and with this mesmerizing border. And this is the sari, and the whole sari has this kind of buttas, this kind of motifs in the blouse, in the body, this kind of motifs, and the lower border will have this aparajita flowers. So absolutely, and see the color. So Lucknowi sari, Lucknowi pure kota doria sari teamed up with aparajita flower is something which is unique. And the flowers also have been hand painted in a very lovely, very skillfully done, so that it looks so real. So that's the sari, that is the whole sari. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. And this is the blouse piece, where we have given the floral pattern on the back of the blouse. On the back of the blouse, this floral pattern comes, and on your sleeves, this kind of motif, this kind of buta, and the border work. See the border work. See, this is the border work. There are various kind of embroideries involved. There are this little bit of murri, then this the shadow work, and there are number of names. So I'm yet learning on the Lucknowi work. I'll be just doing more of this Lucknowi work. So I'm just learning on it. So this is the second sari. It's the blouse piece. This is the sari number 2. This is sari number 2, which is in peach painting, which peach thread color. So it has a mesmerizing peach thread color. इसके अंदर होगा कहीं, देखो तो उसमें शायद ब्लाउज पीस भी चला गया और रनिंग में भी है. This is a peach thread color, and the work is like this. Ha. The work is like this. Beautiful work. Beautiful work. Can you see the work? Now you can see the work. Extremely beautiful. So this is the work, and see the small flowers which we have, developed across. So this is the whole concept. So this motive. So this motive comes on your back also. This part will be here somewhere, and then the lower border. The lower border has this kind of floral. See, it's garden of five senses, I would call it. See see the beautiful flowers. See the floral, motive all over, and the shading. The whole sari is hand shaded like this. So when I do a pleating, so this would be the pleating of the sari. So that's the palla, that is the palla, mesmerizing palla. Palla has, that's the sari, that is the sari. See, this is the sari. If I can showcase beautifully, it's such a magnificent color that it is difficult to actually showcase in a video. So that's the color. That is basically the sari, the lower pleats and the sari, and all over you have this motifs, this hand embroidered motif, and this is hand painted. The lower part is hand painted like this, and the hand painting is also very skillfully done, and very lovely, the placement, the concept, everything, so that it does not interfere with the freedom of the hand embroidery, no restrictions of the hand embroidery. And this is the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece, that's the sari, and this is the blouse piece where your sleeves will have this embroidery, and so this is the back of the blouse. So nothing, this is in pink, shade, this is in pink thread embroidery. Again, another mesmerizing floral work, so that's another very pretty. Again, the palla, so that is the palla. The palla is just a complete sellout. Beautiful palla, beautiful work, lovely palla. See the motifs, these are those king carb motifs which have been given. That's the border, that is the border. So this small lavenderish flower has been painted, like this across. See the fluidity of the painting, that it is not restricting anywhere. And see the so this part, so see this part. So this is the palla. So if you just put it a little long palla, then the placement of these flowers will be here, so this is the palla. We generally take long palla otherwise. So, and then this is the lower part of the sari, that's the lower part of the sari. So this has, the body has the whole, all over the body has hand embroidered motifs, and this is the lower part of the sari. See, that's the sari, and the whole sari is hand shaded. There is no dye, no chemical processing. It is completely hand shaded with azufri colors. And I'll just quickly do the pleating and show it to you. So that's the pleating, so that's the sari, that is the sari. So this is a, we are giving Lucknowi a different kind of a complete look and feel, so that everybody is happy. Like whoever loves to wear hand painted, they are happy. Whoever loves to wear Lucknowi, they are happy. So we are giving options to everyone for that. That's the blouse piece, so that's the back of the blouse, and this part will be on the sleeves. So that part is sleeves, this part is sleeves, that is this motifs and the border, and this is the blouse piece back. Okay, beautiful painting and mesmerizing concept. It's absolutely sunshine yellow. So the yellow, I have kept the sari with white more, because this yellow color and the white is looking so beautiful, so beautiful, that, so that's the palla. And see the flower, that's the palla. See the flower, the floral painting in it. See, this is the single line, this is the single embroidery. So that is the floral embroidery, that is the embroidery, that is the Lucknowi embroidery, that's the back. So that's the Lucknowi embroidery part. And see the flowers, this kind of sunshine yellow flowers. which are all on the palla like this. They are bloomed freshly bloomed flowers and all over the sari. The lower part has this kind of flowers in floral bunches with little bit of watercolor effect around in the shading, and so that is the whole sari. Very, very pretty. Absolutely, I would say gorgeous in white. Gorgeous in white. So that's the pleats, that's the pleat part, and that is the whole, whole drape of the sari is like this. So you have all these bunches and the motifs, the hand embroidered motifs over here, the floral bunches in the lower part. See the flowers, see how pretty and how real they look, as if they're just bloomed in the garden. So that's the whole sari. That is the whole sari. And the blouse piece, has, this is the sleeves. I have not given any color to the sleeves because the sari has its own shading and colors, and that's the back, the back of the blouse. This bunch will come on your back of the blouse. So that is the complete sari. This is sari number 4, and the last one in the series is this. Last one in the series is this one. It's a beige beauty. It's a beige color. So it has this kind of a mesmerizing, beautiful, effect pattern. So that is the palla. That is the palla. The palla is little on this. So the palla will be here. So that's the front part of the palla. So that's the palla. So the palla has these flowers, and this is the embroidery. This is the embroidery. Actually, you need to see these saris to believe it, that they're so beautiful. I can't really, this camera is definitely not doing any justice to these saris. So that's the floral painting. That is the brushwork. That is the brushwork. So one flower is like this, one flower is like this in peach and in ochreish color. So that is the upper part of your, the front part. And the lower part has this kind of painting. The lower part has again a complete floral garden of flowers. Again, garden of 5 senses. So with this embroidered border, lower border. So the pleats will have this whole floral garden. There are hand painting, little brush strokes all over the sari. So to make it give it a little color. So that's the whole, the whole gorgeousness of the sari. So that's the, see how beautiful is the pleats. How beautiful, see the pleats, the painting. Absolutely, mesmerizing watercolor effect painting. And that's the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece, where the sleeves have this beige color. The sleeves have this with the embroidery, the border and the embroidery, and the back of the blouse has this kind of a painting. The back of the blouse will have this kind of a floral painting like this, and little shading. So this will come like this. Okay, so this is also very, very pretty. And quickly grab your color, otherwise nothing will stay. And it is perfect time for the saris because the summer is at the peak. Concept in Lucknowi embroidery, which are also Kota Doria saris, but these have a block and embroidered blouse, hand embroidered, completely hand embroidered. And see the number of stitches in this. See the number of stitches in this. Mesmerizing, right? ये पूरा बैक आपका इस पे आएगा. The whole embroidery will come on the back. See the richness of the palla. See, it's white. We have given a facing as the same blouse fabric facing. The same blouse fabric facing. The blouse is in this color. So if I keep the blouse, so the fabric has this facing of the of this. Last time I created these saris, I could not even show on the video because they were just picked it up from my studio. So that's the palla. The palla, what I have done is that, see, these are the these are the embroidered motifs. Inside that the block has been given, and outside also. So it looks, see, in a single layer, how mesmerizing it looks in a single layer. How mesmerizing it looks. It's like, so this is the work. This is the work on Kota. This is the palla. This is the mesmerizing palla. Beautifully mesmerizing palla, and that's the body. So the body has this block print, floral jewel. That is the floral jewel, and I have kept these flowers inside, which are being embroidered flowers, left alone, so that it also gets a respect, a position. It should not be overshadowed by the craft of hand block. No, it should not. So that's the sari. That is the sari. That's the palla. These saris need to be admired and appreciated when you see them with your own eyes here at the studio. I don't know how much justice I can make and this video can give you. So this is one combination, and with this hand embroidery blouse piece comes. So it will be a absolute state of art designing. Okay, so this is number one in this is this lavender mesmerizing work of art, I would say, in the embroidery. So that's the embroidery. So what is the palla? Let us see the palla first. So the palla has this kind of lines, this kind of standing lines, this kind of standing lines. I'll just open the palla for you. Yeah, so this is the palla. I have opened the palla for you. So this is the palla, the lower part of the palla. You see how much work has been gone into this, how much work. So this is the mesmerizing chikankari work, and along with that we have given this, the such fine hand block, such fine hand block. See the hand block, see the hand block. So this is a very, very lavish lavender sari. So we have given a lavender, because this has a lavenderish blouse in jamdani. So let me show you the blouse first. So that's the jamdani blouse we have given. That's the jamdani blouse. So we have teamed the colors from this jamdani weave, and it's a handloom, pure handloom jamdani. Nothing, no parlour about it. So this is a jamdani blouse piece which we have teamed with the sari. See the sari. So that is the the selvage we have given. That is the purple selvage we have given with this blouse piece. And see the body jal. So that's the body jal. That is the body jal. See, absolutely. Kya kehna? This is the body jal. So if I make a quick pleat and just showcase this to you. So this is like this. This is like this. Sorry, and that's the palla. That is the palla. Immensely gorgeous. Immensely gorgeous. Things can be so beautiful in white color. Things can be, design can be so gorgeous and beautiful in white color. One needs to see it to believe it. So that's the lower border. Beautiful, the border work is also very, very nice. So that's the body. That is the body, and that's the palla. And the palla is double palla actually. It's a huge palla. It's a double palla. So the palla comes still here, almost here in the front also. So that's the work, and I've already shown the blouse. So this is the blouse with the sari. This is the jamdani blouse with the sari. So that's number two. Number three is a black combination. It's a black combination. So that's the sari. So it has a roundish kind of work, roundish kind of work on the palla. So that's the that's the block and the work combination. See the beautiful hand block. This is the hand block and embroidery, mesmerizing work, and there is a lovely lovely flower like this, which has been given a peach filling, because the sari body has a peach filling. So the whole palla is like this. So the whole palla is just like this, very beautiful and complete fine chikankari work. The selvage is this much. It's a very minimum selvage we have given. It's a facing basically. We have given a black facing like this. So this is the black facing, and that's the body block. That is the body block with the embroidery intact, keeping the embroidery intact. And this is a very challenging job to do. After the embroidery is done, giving the block design is a huge challenging work. But of course our artists are so adept to all these kind of craftsmanship that they can do it. So that's the sari and the blouse. That's the sari. That's the whole body of the sari. This is the pleats, and that's the lower border. This is the lower border with this kind of a block, and these kind of embroidered motifs. This kind of embroidered motifs. So that's the whole sari. Very nice combination and very beautiful. And with this we have given this blouse piece, multicolored blouse. See the embroidery in the blouse. See the embroidery in the blouse. This is the whole back of the blouse. And that's the sleeves. The sleeve part has this kind of, dotted floral pattern, and we have picked up colors from here and has given in the blouse. So the colors are being picked up from the blouse. So this kind of a beautiful blouse would go just so well with the sari. So we have teamed, this is the sari blouse, and this is the sari. So that's the combination. That's the combination. It is just so gorgeous. And the final one in this is in the blue color. It's in the blue selvage. Very pretty, another very pretty one, another very pretty one. So the body has a rust and yellow ochre combination. So this is the blue and green color combination of blocks we have given. So it has this green, mehendi green and blue kind of a block print on the palla, and see this has this maroon flower filling. So that's the palla. The palla has lovely, beautiful palla. And the single work I would show is this. That's the single work. See the work, extremely beautiful. And that's the whole sari. So this sari that's the block design. And see, in this the embroidery looks so standing out. The embroidery stands out so beautifully. See, the embroidery stands out so beautifully because it's a ghana block. So since it's a ghana block, the embroidery stands out so beautifully. See, that's the embroidery, and that's the hand block. That is the hand block. That's also this is an inspired by Kodali Karupur heritage hand block. So this hand block is basically inspired by Kodali Karupur thing. It's not the the actual one, but inspired by it. So that's the lower border, and that's the blue selvage. So that's the sari. And we have teamed up a Pattachitra blouse piece with this. So that's the Pattachitra blouse piece. So all the colors from this Pattachitra motif has been picked up and given to the sari. So that's the blouse piece. So with this blouse piece, that's the blue selvage. See, this is the blue selvage, that's the blouse piece, and that's the palla and the sari. So that is the combination. So we are done with these saris, and thank you. Please get back to us if anybody is interested.